Ka Gospel Lukas let nong bakat lai da khot lai pu wei adu lai pu sang. Ka jing ye ju Jisu ya ka Jerusalem.
At that time, some Pharisees came to Jesus and said to him, "Leave this place and go somewhere else. Herod wants to kill you." He replied, "Go tell that fox, I will keep on driving out demons and healing people today and tomorrow, and on the third day I will reach my goal." In any case, I must press on today and tomorrow and the next day, for surely no prophet can die outside Jerusalem. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, you who kill the prophets and stone those sent to you. How often I have longed to gather your children together, as a hen gathers her chicks under her wings, and you were not willing. Look, your house is left to you desolate. I tell you, you will not see me again until you say, "Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord."
Duriau bat pusan. Pule biang kalanong khat lai da khot lai pu wei adu lai pusan. Ka jing ye ju Jisu ya ka Jerusalem. Hakata ka juga po la don ki Parisi ki palawan cha Jisu bat kila ong hau. Medei ban mi no nang ne bat ban lei cha wei na maru Herod utha ban penia bia me. Jisu la jibam. Khile ya tu hau tai mersiang. Ngape iki sui ban ngapen koi na ki jingpang ban takas ngi bat la sai bat takas ngi balai ngan sa pendep ya ka kam jonga. Lajar kata ngadai ban yahai benta kasih lai sai bat hakasi babut namar kamlong ba unong ya thulupa un sya peniap hang no lai tang ha Jerusalem ko Jerusalem Jerusalem phang ka ba peniap ikinong ya thulupa bat kapalan thembau ya ki ba ublei ulapha asapha kano sin ngala kwa ban kedup iki khon jong pha komba kasihar ka kedup ilaki khon hapo thap peniang Henry Pamtre Daya ke tempel jompa en sa ino kenja. Pinamil isu yang ngong apa tak hadu bapan daong. Long belagar ku utabawan haga keteng jang utrai. Kakubor bapa utrai.